Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English, the podcast. This is day 10 of your 21 days English Fluency Shadowing Challenge. I am Zan. Today's topic is Learn English Vocabulary Through Shadowing. Let me tell you what vocabulary means. Vocabulary simply means words. The words you know. The words you can use. The more words you know, the more clearly and confidently you can speak. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of saying the food was good, you can say the food was delicious. Delicious means very, very tasty. Just one small change. But now people can really feel how much you enjoyed it. Here is one more example. Instead of saying I am very tired, you can say, I am exhausted. Exhausted means so tired that you have no energy left at all. Same feeling inside you, but now your words match how you actually feel. You see, same feeling, different word. And a better word makes your English sound richer and more natural. Now, let me explain how today's lesson is organized. We have 70 new words and sentences for you today. Each word will come with its easy meaning and a simple example sentence, so you understand it fully. We will cover these in 3 sections. Section number 1 is easy for beginners. Section number 2 is normal, a little more difficult. And section number 3 is more difficult. And here is something extra I want to promise you. If any word feels difficult or any sentence feel a little hard to understand, don't worry. I will explain it to you in simple English, step by step, so nothing stays confusing. And please listen to this part carefully. Don't say section 1 is too easy. Let me skip to section 3. Please don't do this. Section 1 words are your base, and if your base is weak, even easy sentence will feel difficult later. So go through all 3 sections one by one. Don't skip even one section. Now, how will we practice today? Same simple method. We shadow. Every word, it is meaning and it is example. Sentences will come twice. First time, just listen. Second time, repeat with me the full sentence out loud, because just knowing a word is not enough. You need to know how to use that word inside a real sentence. And here is my promise to you. Stay with me till the end of this video and practice with full focus. By the end, you will have 70 new words and sentences ready to use anytime you need them. Yesterday on day 9, we practiced daily English conversation with simple questions and answers. If you missed that video, please go back and start from day 1 first. The link are in the description. And if you have been with me since day 1 all the way to day 10, that means 10 days of hard work. I am truly proud of you. One more small request. When you finish today's practice, write day 10 complete in the comments below. I want to see it. It will also motivate other learners watching this video. Now take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. Section number 1, easy vocabulary words, beginner level with double repetition. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty. The food was delicious. Repeat. Great. The food was delicious. Exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. I am exhausted after work. I am exhausted after work. Happy. Happy means feeling good and blessed. I am happy today. I am happy today. Beautiful. Beautiful means very pretty to look at. The garden is beautiful. The garden is beautiful. Important. Important means something that matters a lot. This meeting is important. Great. This meeting is important. Difficult. Difficult means not easy to do. This question is difficult. This question is difficult. Friendly. Friendly means kind and warm to others. My neighbor is very friendly. My neighbor is very friendly. Great. Busy. Busy means having a lot of work to do. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Quiet. Quiet means making very little noise. The room is quiet. The room is quiet. Comfortable. Comfortable means giving a nice, relaxed feeling. This chair is comfortable. This chair is comfortable. Great. Excited. Excited means feeling very happy about something coming. I am excited for the trip. I am excited for the trip. Careful. Careful means giving attention to avoid mistakes. Please be careful on the road. Please be careful on the road. Simple. Simple means easy to understand. This recipe is simple. This recipe is simple. Strong. Strong means having a lot of power or force. He is very strong. He is very strong. Clean. Clean means free from dirt. My room is clean. My room is clean. Fresh. Fresh means new, not old. This bread is fresh. This bread is fresh. Bright. Bright means full of light. The sun is bright today. The sun is bright today. Polite. Polite means having good manners. She is always polite. Honest. Honest means always telling the truth. He is an honest man. He is an honest man. Generous. Generous means happy to give and share with others. My uncle is very generous. My uncle is very generous. Nervous. Nervous means feeling worried before something. I feel nervous before exams. I feel nervous before exams. Confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself. She looks confident today. She looks confident today. Curious. Curious means wanting to know more about something. I am curious about your trip. I am curious about your trip. Great. Section number 2, normal vocabulary words. A little more difficult with double repetition. So listen carefully and repeat after me. Convenient. Convenient means easy and useful for you. This time is convenient for me. Repeat. Great. This time is convenient for me. Reliable. Reliable means something or someone you can trust. He is a reliable friend. He is a reliable friend. Efficient. Efficient means doing something well without wasting time. Our new system is very efficient. Repeat. Our new system is very efficient. Flexible. Flexible means able to change easily. My work hours are flexible. My work hours are flexible. Practical. Practical means useful in real life, not just in theory. This is a practical solution. This is a practical solution. Ambitious. Ambitious means having a strong desire to achieve something. She is very ambitious about her career. She is very ambitious about her career. Genuine. Genuine means real and true, not fake. He have a genuine smile. He have a genuine smile. Reluctant. Reluctant means not wanting to do something. He was reluctant to leave. He was reluctant to leave. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means feeling like there's too much to handle. I feel overwhelmed with work today. I feel overwhelmed with work today. Persistent. Persistent means continuing, even when it is hard. She was persistent in her efforts. She was persistent in her efforts. Reasonable. Reasonable means fair and sensible. That price seems reasonable. That price seems reasonable. Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling upset because something isn't working. I felt frustrated with the delay. I felt frustrated with the delay. Aware. Aware means knowing about something. I am aware of the problem. I am aware of the problem. Capable. Capable means able to do something well. She is capable of handling this. She is capable of handling this. Independent. Independent means able to do things on your own. She is very independent. Determined. Determined means having a strong will to do something. She is determined to succeed. She is determined to succeed. Skeptical. Skeptical means having doubt about something. I am a little skeptical about this plan. I am a little skeptical about this plan. Considerate. Considerate means thinking about other people's feelings. He is very considerate towards others. He is very considerate towards others. Great. Section number 3. More difficult vocabulary words with double repetition. Resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly from difficulty. She is very resilient after setbacks. She is very resilient after setbacks. Meticulous. Meticulous means giving great attention to small details. He is meticulous with his work. He is meticulous with his work. Pragmatic. Pragmatic means dealing with things in a realistic, sensible way. We need a pragmatic approach here. We need a pragmatic approach here. Versatile. Versatile means able to do many different things well. She is a versatile employee. She is a versatile employee. Candid. Candid means honest and direct, without hiding anything. He was candid about his mistakes. He was candid about his mistakes. Diligent. Diligent means working hard and carefully. She is a diligent student. She is a diligent student. Skepticism. Skepticism means a general doubt about something. There was some skepticism about the plan. There was some skepticism about the plan. Feasible. Feasible means possible to do. Is this plan feasible for us? Is this plan feasible for us? Coherent. Coherent means clear and logical, easy to follow. His explanation was very coherent. His explanation was very coherent. Inevitable. Inevitable means certain to happen, cannot be avoided. Change is inevitable in life. Change is inevitable in life. Subtle. Subtle means not obvious, very slight. There was a subtle change in her tone. There was a subtle change in her tone. Perceptive. Perceptive means quick to notice or understand things. She is very perceptive about people. She is very perceptive about people. That is for day 10, my dear friends. You just finished 70 brand new words today. We start with easy ones, then we moved to some harder ones, and by the end we practiced strong, powerful words too. If you repeated every word, every meaning and every sentence with me 2 times each, then you did something really good today. You are not stuck saying good for everything anymore. Now you have real words ready to use. Now you have real words ready to use whenever you need them. I have a small question for you. Which word did you like the most today? Please write in the comments. I really want to read it. And one more thing, please write day 10 complete in the comments below. This will remind you of your own hard work, and it will also give other learners feel motivated. If this is your first time watching, please don't start from day 10. Go back to day 1 and start the challenge from the beginning. The link are in the description. And if you have been with me since day 1 all the way to day 10, that is 10 full days. Same time, same effort, same you coming back again and again. I am really truly proud of you. Please don't forget to download PDF file and also join our free WhatsApp channel, link in the description below. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Keep learning new words, keep shadowing, keep speaking. I will see you tomorrow with a brand new topic. Until then, take care of yourself and keep speaking every single day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.